next one I'm going to show you is Thieves wipes. Now obviously Young Living sells Thieves wipes, but you can also make your own. So we buy our toilet paper and things like that from Who Gives a Crap. So we get our paper towel from them as well. Now what we're going to do, Jeremy's going to cut this in half.
Okay.
Don't never work with children, animals or Jeremy.
I'm hoping I can cut this in half.
So am I.
I just have to do it slow and steady, I think.
So I like to reuse everything. So you can, if you've been drinking the Pure Complete or even the Balance Complete from Young Living, the protein powder or the Balance Complete, you can reuse the containers to put your all-natural wipes in. So that's what we're going to make it in, but you can put it in an ice cream container or a Tupperware container, anything like that that you've got around the house.
There we go.
So once you've cut that,
that's the end of that
what we're going to do is 2 capfuls of the Thieves Household Cleaner. Now what I like about this recipe is you can actually make a whole heap of different wipes with this. So you can do you want to do 2 capfuls in there for me? You can do makeup removal wipes. So you can use the like any of the cleansers, like I love to use the Orange Blossom cleanser, or you can use the Art cleanser. You can even use the Mirror cleanser instead of the Thieves Household Cleaner. You can make baby wipes and use either the unscented bath gel or the Kid Sense bath gel, and you put instead of your Thieves Household Cleaner, you put that in the container. Then we're actually going to do 10 drops of lemon oil, which is over there.
I'm worried about fitting this in there.
You'll be able to do it, Jeremy. I have faith.
I need 10 drops.
Yeah.
I actually went to the gym earlier, so I have no muscles left. But
Alright, now we're going to do half a cup of the distilled water into the container as well. Now I always use distilled water. If you've seen any of my recipes before, I always use distilled water because if you don't, your products won't last as long. So I have seen the Thieves wipes go mouldy when people haven't used the distilled water, because there was bugs or things like that in people's tap water, even from town. So always, just spend the extra $1 or whatever it costs to buy some distilled water. All right, so now what you're going to do...
I'm a bit worried about this, but hey, I don't think it's going to fit.
Old Balance Complete containers were a lot easier to get it in.
Yeah, I think they were bigger. Okay.
All right, what we'll do... So what we'll do is we'll pour it over the top.
Yep.
And then when it's wet, I don't know if you guys can see this, but when it's actually wet on the wipes, you can pull the centre out of the wipes. So you pull the cardboard tube out.
Probably stuck to the cardboard tube, so just grab a handful and pull.
Oops. Alright, so then we'll be able to squeeze it.
That's looking a little bit better.
I'll let you change it over there for me.
Yep. Okay, there you go.
Alright, and then, then what you do is you pop the lid on and shake it up to make sure that all those wipes are wet. And when you pull it, you can actually pull from the centre. You know how you pull out nappy wipes? And you can pull from the centre and
out they come.
And out they come. And you've got a Thieves cleaning wipe. So you've got to make sure that they're all wet.
That's pretty handy.
So but you can clean anything, like if you want to wipe down surfaces. The other thing you can do is if you don't like the idea of paper towel and you want to make it more recyclable, is to use either microfiber cloths or some kind of clean, like rags. If you've got a whole heap of old tea towels and you want to cut them up or things like that, you can do that. So there's your Thieves cleaning wipes.